Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. So children, say that in that previous video we discussed up to worksheet 3, right? So here in this video we are going to discuss the questions from worksheet 3A. Okay, see here ma, here 3A, this is related to direct proportion. This is related to direct proportion. So before going to explain this concept, first I will tell you that what about the direct proportion. Okay, for example here x comma y are in direct proportion. Are in a direct proportion. Then how we can write that x is directly proportional to y. So directly proportional means here if the value of x is increases, then the value of y also increases. And in the same way, if the value of x is in decreasing value, then y value also is in a decreasing order only, no? So that is called direct proportion. So here x comma y are in direct proportion. Then x is directly proportional to y, then its ratio is constant. Then its ratio is constant. That is the definition of direct proportion. Am I right here? So here the ratio is a constant means while you are taking the values of x and y, for example x values and y values, here x value is 12, 24, 36, so increasing order. Understand? So here 6. What is the next value here? For example here 8 and here value not given. We need to find that value. So children, once observe that x value is in increasing order. Then y value also should be in increasing order only, no? Why? Because those two also in direct proportion. Okay, those two also in a direct proportion. So that's why here its ratio is constant. While you are taking the constant value, here directly you can find the value of a. Okay, just see here ma, the ratio of those two values 12 by 6, 6 1, 6 2 is 12. So the ratio is 2 here. And come to this one, sorry, here 12 and here a, and come to this one 24 and here 12, 12 ones, 12 twos, 24. Again here the ratio is its ratio is 2 only, no? So here we are getting 2 and here we are getting the 2. By observing this one, what is the value of here a is equals to, how to find that one? 36 by a is equal to, here the constant value is 2 only, no? So that's why 36 by 2 is equals to a. Okay, 2 ones, 2 18s. So here a is equals to, the value is 18. 18 ones, 18, 18 twos, 36. Understand ma? So by using this concept, here we have to simplify this one. Okay, so let us see that what the question they given. Okay, by using the same concept here, say that ma, if x and y vary directly and x is equals to 18, x is equals to 18, y is equals to 6, y is equal to 6. If y is equal to 8, then the value of x, let it be some a. Okay, this value we need to find out. And we know that if x is directly proportional to y, then its ratio is constant. Okay, apply the same concept here. X by y is equal to 18 by 6 is equal to, first set 6 1, 6 3 is 18. So here x by y is value is 3. And come to this one here, a by 8 is equals to 3. Now a is equal to 3 into 8, 3 8 is 24. Now what is the value of a here? A is equal to 24. So which option is correct now here? Option C is correct. Am I clear children? Yes. So depends on that. Here this concept only they given. Some more questions, see here. A car runs 484 kilometers. A car runs 484 kilometers. So that is the distance only, no? Here in this question they given the relation between here distance and in the same way number of liters of petrol used. Number of liters of petrol. Petrol uses in liters. Understand? See here ma. A car runs 484 kilometers by using 11 liters of petrol. By using 11 liters of petrol. And in the same way, if it travels 264 kilometers, then the number of liters of petrol requires. That's what we need to find out. So children, here I told you that the relation is if x is directly proportional to y, then its ratio is constant, I said no. And in the same way, there only we use that proportion, that method also we can apply that. Here also we can apply that proportion method. Okay. So but before going to that, just to say that what is the question what they given here. A car runs 484 kilometers by using 11 liters of petrol. Okay, and come to this one, 264, while traveling 264 kilometers, how many liters of petrol can be used? Understand ma? So what is the meaning of this question here? Just observe that 484 kilometers and by using 11 liters of petrol. And while you are comparing these two distances, here 264 is lesser than 484. Which means a car covers more distance, it can uses that more liters of petrol. Okay, if it covers that less distance, it consumes that less number of liters of petrol. Okay, so see here, then the value become as the least value or the highest value than that 11. We will get that the least value than that 11 only, no? Why? Because here highest value is 484. Okay, then we can say that 11 is the highest one. Okay, why? Because x and y are in proportion, no? So that's why. So here we can apply that proportion method also, no ma? So proportion, how to apply? Say that 484 kilometers, and we know that we can take the ratio of same kind of quantities only, no? So same kind of quantities means we can take the ratio of distance and we can take the ratio of number of liters of petrol. We should not take the ratio of distance and petrol. Okay, why? Because those are two different kind of quantities. That's why it is not possible, no? So that's why ratio always we should take for that same kind of quantities only. So that's why take that the ratio of distance 484 is to 264 as is to here the ratio of number of liters of petrol. So 484 11. So 484 11. The first term and the third term related terms. Okay, and the second term related to fourth term here. Second term related to fourth term. So 11, and here this is x. And here the meaning is 484 kilometers by using 11 liters of petrol. 264 kilometers by using how many liters of petrol? Okay, this is the relation. Now here onwards same only. Okay, 484 into x, which is equals to 264 into 11. 264 into 11. From this one, find the x value here. X is equal to 264 into 11 by 484. So cancellations here. 11 ones, 11 fours 44. Still 44 is there. So 11 fours 44. Again, 11 fours 44. 11 2's 22. Here the leftover 44 is there. 11 4's 44. Okay. From this one, x is equals to 24 by 4. 4 1's 4 6 24. So x is equal to how many liters ma here? X is equal to 6 liters of petrol. So a car can take here 6 liters of petrol. It consumes that 6 liters of petrol to cover 264 kilometers. Understand? So here what is the answer ma? Option C is that correct one. Am I clear, children? So let us see that next question. Third question, what is that? 20 students plan for a picture and collect 800 rupees. So by reading that first sentence only, we can understand that that is related to students and money. Okay, so here we can take that how many students are planned. Okay, number of students, and here money to be collected. Or collected money. Understand ma? So first, how many students are planned here to go to a picture? How many students are planned here? 20 students are planned to go to a movie. Okay. So here 20 students are planned to go to a picture and they collected here 800 rupees. How much they collected here? 800 rupees. Now another sentence, if 5 more students joined to this number, if 5 more students joined, which means 20 students already there, along with them 5 more students are joined here. Along with them 5 more students are joined, and here how much amount to be collected? If 5 more members are added to this group, then how much amount to be collected? This is the question. So 20 plus 5 is 25. If 20 members are planned, then they collected here 800 rupees. If 25 members are there, then how much to be collected? Understand, ma? So again write in proportion. So 20 students, we have to take the ratio of a number of students, no? So 20 is to 25. As is to, we have to take the ratio of amount to be collected. 800 is to X. Understand? Directly proportion only, no? So in this way we can take that. 25 into 800, 20 into X. So 20 into X is equals to 25 into 800. From this one, X is equal to 25 into 800 by 20. Okay, see here, ma, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 40s, 80. And here X is equal to 25 into 40. 25 into 40. 25 fours 100 and one more 0 is there, no? So totally 1000 rupees. Okay children, did you understand this one? 20 students plan to go to a movie. Okay, then they collected here 800 rupees. If 5 more students they wanted to join along with them, then here total number of students 25 students. So here number is increased. Then collected money also should be increased only, no? Okay, so that's why how much to be increased means here they ask. So total amount only they asked here, then the amount of money to be collected. Total amount only they asked. If they will ask that how much more money to be collected, how much more money to be collected means then question will be different. Then here total amount is 1000. How much more money to be collected means actually they collected here 800. So 1000 minus 800, which is equals to 200. If the question they will give in this manner, what is that? Here 20 students planned for a picture and collected 800 rupees. If 5 more students joined, then the amount of money to be collected more. How much more? Okay, how much more amount to be collected if 5 members should be joined? At that case, the answer is 200. Okay, how much more means 200 rupees is that answer. But here they are asking in totally what is the total collected money. Okay, that's what they asked here. Don't be confused that. So here answer is 1000. Which option is correct, ma? Here option C is correct. That is 1000 rupees. Understand? Let us see that next question. Question number 4. What is that here? A school spends 6000 rupees per month. A school spends 6000 rupees per month towards wheat. Towards wheat. When the cost of the wheat is 20 rupees. So here 20 rupees per kg. If the price goes up to 25 rupees per kg, then the amount of money spent on wheat is. Okay, so here total amount spent on wheat. And here cost of wheat per kg. Cost of wheat per kg. So see here total amount spent on wheat. Total amount first how much they spent here? 6000 rupees. Total amount they spent here is 6000 rupees at the cost of 1 kg. 1 kg of wheat at the cost is 20 rupees. If the cost of 1 kg of wheat is 20 rupees, then the school spent here total amount is 6000 rupees. If the cost of the wheat per kg increases to 25 rupees, then the school has to be paid that more money, right? So how much has to be spent here? That's what we need to find out here. Okay, so let us see here, ma. So 6,000 rupees, and here we need to find the total amount only, now how much they have to spend here, as is to 6,000 rupees while the cost of the wheat is per kg 20 rupees. And here if the cost of the wheat per kg is 25 rupees, then how much they have to pay. Okay, this is the relation. Now here see that x into 20 is equal to 6,000 into 25. From this one, x is equal to 6,000 into 25 by 20. 0, 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones and 2 3s, 600. Clear? So x is equals to here 0, 0, 25 3s, 75. 7,500 they have to pay. Okay, so which option is correct, ma? Here x is equal to 7,500. Which option is correct here? Option D is correct. So children, in this video we discussed up to 4 questions, no ma? So in that next video again we will meet with next continuation questions from that worksheet 3. Okay, thank you all.